So let's talk about our ampules. Why am I holding a tequila shot? Because I call my ampules my tequila shot for the skin. A tequila shot is pure tequila. It's not mixed with ice, water, juice, or anything like that. So our ampules are exactly the same thing, but it's for the skin. So they are like serums that have higher concentration of active ingredient, very potent and very effective for the skin. So you can use them in the facial room, or you can recommend ampule to your customers. Those are wonderful. They come either in a box of 7, a refill box of 15, or a bag of 60 ampules. And you can refill your customer's ampule anytime. So what type of ampules do we have with Alex? We have 5 wonderful ampules. The first one is going to be our Blemish Control ampule, which is going to reduce acne thanks to pistachio extract. Then we have our vitamin blend, and this one is a smoothie for the skin. So it's actually your margarita on, steroid kind of. So it's your vitamin A, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin C, vitamin E. It's going to be anti-aging, antioxidant. It's great for smokers or even after a sun vacation. Okay. You can use that ampule with ultrasound. Then the next one is going to be our Hyaluron Skin Dive, which is a glass of water for your skin. It's 1% hyaluronic acid, all skin type, high and low molecular hyaluronic acid. You can use it with ultrasound and microneedling. The fourth one is going to be our Skin Superfood, and this one is a rich ampule. So it's going to be for all skin, but especially damaged skin, okay? Damaged skin barrier, sensitive skin, anti-aging, very healing. You have vitamin E, aloe vera in it. And the last one is our organic anti-aging skin shot. This one is anti-aging, antioxidant. It's going to be for 30 years old and up. So definitely for people who see the first sign of aging. It has vegan collagen in it and caffeine. This one, you can use it with microneedling and ultrasound as well.